Keep the water steady. We need a good slurry. Got it. Flow is constant. Good. The agitator's mixing well. The bacteria are steadily breaking down the cow dung here. The gas pressure is rising. This unit is performing optimally. The methane is being captured for power. Pressure is holding at 2.45 bar, well within safe limits.
Production is up to 1,500 cubic meters per hour. Efficiency is at 92%. No alerts. Keep monitoring.
Pressure levels are stable on the main dome. Confirm. Flow rate is optimal on this biogas line. Good. Schedule the next inspection for the secondary tanks.
Inside the cow dung power factory, advanced filtration machines remove harmful impurities from methane gas, while industrial purification systems operate non-stop.
Pressure holding steady at 150 psi. Good. Flow rate looks optimal. Check the turbine inlet temperature. Confirm. All systems green. Current output is up to 2.46 megawatts. Efficiency is holding, looks good. We're on track for the daily target. Good. Keep monitoring the feed-in rate. Alert me if it fluctuates. Pressure stable. No leaks. Radiator fins are clean. Flow is good. Efficiency is at 98%. We're good to go.
Inside the cow dung power factory, giant industrial drying machines process organic sludge into natural agricultural fertilizer. The high heat process fertilizer.
The pH and flow rates are stable. Good. Let's check the final tank. Solids are settling well. Pressure's good. Let's get these tanks sanitized. Copy that. I'll scrub the residue. Almost done here. Systems are running hot. All right, let's check these methane sensors. Safety first.
Flow rate is stable at 85 cubic meters per hour.
Relief valves are clear, no leaks. Excellent. Log it and proceed to the next digester.
Methane purity is stable at 78%.
Good. And biogas pressure is holding at 15 psi.
All systems are operating within optimal parameters.
All right, load it up.
Inside the cow dung power factory, giant electrical substations transfer renewable electricity produced from cow dung into national power distribution networks.
Methane levels are holding steady at 200 cubic meters per hour. Good. Let's check the RPM. 1800, right on target. Pressure is good too. The digesters are running at peak efficiency, waste is flowing smoothly.
Biogas yield is up to 60 to generate. Turbine is sinking now. We're generating clean power continuously.
Team, emergency inspection. Check tanks for leaks, generators for faults, report anomalies.
Copy. Tank valves clear, pressure stable.
Good. Log it and move to the next sector. We did it! Power production is at all-time high!
Yes, the turbines are running non-stop, full capacity.
The team enters the future of clean energy.
From collection to energy and fertilizer, witness the complete sustainable gas production, generating clean electricity. The process yields organic fertilizer, completing the eco-friendly loop.